What's the meaning of busing? Busing. Busing.
Busing. Busing. Busing is the act of transporting students to a school outside of their neighborhood or designated attendance area. This is typically done in an effort to achieve greater diversity or provide students with access to better educational opportunities. The result of busing can vary widely depending on the specific circumstances and goals of the program. In some cases, it has been successful in promoting integration and academic achievement, while in other cases it has been met with resistance and controversy. Ultimately, the success of busing depends on a variety of factors, including community support, effective implementation, and clear communication of the program's goals and benefits.